In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to bKash. First, make sure your recipient has a valid bKash account in Bangladesh. Wise's official guide says that when sending to bKash, you usually need the recipient's mobile number, and it should start with 880. So if the local number starts with 01, you enter it in international format, beginning with 880 instead. Now, open the Wise app or website and start a new transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, choose Bangladesh as the receiving country, and then select the payout method for bKash. Wise says the basic flow is to enter the amount, choose your recipient, and then complete the payment from your bank account or card, depending on the options available in your region. After that, add or select your recipient, enter their bKash number in the correct format, review the exchange rate and fees, and then confirm the transfer. bKash also says remittance sent through authorized partners is received directly into the recipient's bKash account in Bangladesh. One more thing. Wise notes that transfers to bKash are subject to limits, including up to 122,500 BDT per day and 450,000 BDT per month. So that's how to send money from Wise to bKash. Enter the amount, choose bKash as the payout method, add the recipient's 880 mobile number, review everything, and confirm the payment. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.